Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from more than 8 different companies, but these are mostly like single location based hiring. Okay, so limited hiring. These are like not like mass hiring, but good companies and good roles, and these are for very people from different like academic backgrounds, not just engineers. So watch the video, and if you find it suitable, you can go ahead and apply, right? So first, to start with HCL. So I have like 3 different like opportunities from HCL. Now these are mostly like for MBA graduates as far as this particular HCL hiring is concerned, and the location is restricted to Noida. Okay, so the first role is management trainee, business management group pre-sales. Okay, so as I said, the location is Noida HCL Tech, and so the qualifications they have mentioned is like 2022 batch or 2023 batch, MBA PGDM from like tier 2 college with BE BTech, and they are expecting like a minimum of 60% in 10th 12th UG and PG. Okay, right. And skills required, so if you have any experience working with IT firms, okay, you'll be preferred, but anyhow they're asking for 2022 and 2023, so experience really doesn't matter. What matters is like your what a kind of exposure you have during your project, and then like during your academics. Okay, so what is the exposure that you have? That's very important, and also like minimum 60% is what is important here. Okay, so as far as roles and responsibilities concerned, they have I'll just quickly show that. So owning, anchoring and driving deal with sales, pre-sales and larger HCL ecosystem for selected RFP, RFI, RFQs within digital foundation domain and integrated IT outsourcing pursuits. Support regional GTM plan to achieve annual targets, support mining new opportunities and consecutively engage with new and existing customers is what they have mentioned. Okay, so this is management trainee, business management group pre-sales for Noida location, right? So this was posted just yesterday, right? Now the next opportunity is like senior management trainee, industrial business analyst, verticalization support team Europe. Though they have mentioned senior management trainee and all that, it's still a management trainee, and this is also for 2022 and 2023 MBA PGDM. Now this they are expecting from like tier 1 and tier 2 B schools with a minimum of 60% in 10th 12th UG and PG, and you should have relevant exposure or work experience. Okay, again, for this is being 22 and 23, freshers can very well apply if you have exposure towards operations, R&D, HR, supply chain, procurement, sales and marketing, or customer services. Okay, now that will be an added advantage is what they have mentioned, and as well as skill set is required. They have mentioned background in industries such as professional services, manufacturing, retail, CPG, life sciences, mining, oil and gas, travel, transportation, logistics, automotive, utilities or telecom. Like that's a preference that they give. And as far as like key responsibilities are concerned, conduct market research and analysis to identify trends, opportunities and potential threat, develop propositions and go to market strategies based on market research and business objectives is what they have mentioned. So this is again Noida location, right? So as far as salary is concerned, so the starting itself would cross like 5 lakhs per annum, and depending upon your your background. Okay, so whether you're from tier 1 or tier 2 college and all that. Okay, and based on your performance, your salary can go up to 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs or even more. Okay, so this is the second opportunity from HCL Noida. Now the third one, global engagement manager PNP strategy team. So for this again so 2022 and 2023 MBA PGDM. So tier 1 B schools. Okay, so like IBM ASE, etc. Okay, XLRA, IFFT. Okay, so the top B schools with a minimum of 60% in 10th 12th UG and PG, and relevant exposure would be helpful. Okay, so here the PNP strategy team requires enthusiastic minds willing to join a highly energetic team offering fast track career growth and direct mentoring, and all that is what they have mentioned. Okay, so everything is very generic here as far as roles and responsibilities are concerned. So all these three were posted just yesterday in HCL Tech official LinkedIn page, so you can just go through this, and then those who are interested can apply for this, right? Now next one, Sasken, I have like 2 links, okay, for the engineer system software, okay. So though this was posted, like almost a week back, this link is like still active, and the engineering graduates and the MCA are eligible, and this is a pan India hiring by Sasken, okay. So engineering graduates and MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this, okay. But what is required is you should be well versed with the programming languages, and should have done academic projects in the programming language, should have a understanding of the usage of IDE for development, and understands the basics and standards, should have good problem solving and reasoning skills and all that, okay. And as far as platforms are concerned, they have mentioned like if you have exposure towards Unix, Windows, Linux, okay, that will be good, okay. And as far as the tools IDE, they have mentioned IDE, they have mentioned Eclipse, Visual Studio compilers, debuggers. And as far as programming languages, like if you have expertise in, let's say, C or C++ or Java or Python, Kotlin, C Sharp, etc., okay, so that would be good, okay. So if you are an engineering graduate or MCA graduate with a strong hold of any one of the programming languages, then you can definitely go for this, okay. Now there is also one more link for the same system software engineer for Sasken. Now this is from the Unstop portal. Now as far as here they have mentioned you have 12 more days left to apply, okay. So here again everything same mentioned. So in responsibility they have given so design, code, test, bug fixing, documentation and technical support in the assigned area, okay. So system software engineer, salary you can expect around 5 lakhs for this particular role, okay. So 2 links, I provided both the links in the description, so whichever link you find suitable, you can go ahead and apply, okay. So next one, associate developer hiring by Unisys for their Bangalore location. So this again freshers can apply, but this is restricted to engineers belonging to computer science, mostly they prefer computer science, IT, and relevant background, okay. So if you have exposure towards coding and programming, then you can go ahead and apply. So they also offer about 5 lakhs when they come to campus and all for the similar role. They offer about 5 lakhs for this, okay. So associate developer. Now so this is the official page. Similarly also have the Unstop portal, okay. So you have about 4 weeks left, but do not wait until that day. You can just go ahead and apply if you are eligible and willing, okay. So this again, those who are interested, you can choose whichever link you want and accordingly apply for this, okay. So if you are see, though they have not mentioned computer science, IT and all that, usually they prefer that, okay. But anyhow, if you have so according to me, if you are from the circuit branches and with the coding and programming IT, computer science, circuit branches, coding, programming exposure, then you can very well go ahead. Or let's say you have coding programming exposure and you just want to apply, if you are from an engineering background, you can still go ahead and apply. So associate developer, there are 2 links, okay. So whichever link you want, you can go ahead and apply for this. Now next one, Zycus, they are hiring technical support executive, right. Now this is for their Bangalore location. So engineering graduate from CSE IT Electronics can apply for this. And other than that, if you see, they have just given all regular general things like strong written and verbal communication, etc. And specifically what they have mentioned is understanding of supply chain operations, e-procurement tools, incident management tools, and knowledge of ITIL concepts will be an added advantage, okay. So this is a technical support role, okay. So if you are from CSE, IT, electronics and related branches, then you can go ahead and apply for this. Salary you can expect around close to 4 lakhs for this particular role, okay. So Zycus Bangalore location, they are hiring technical support executive. The link to apply is provided in the description below. Those who are interested can go ahead and apply, okay. Now there is one more role from Zycus. Now this is for their Mumbai location, system engineer Angular. Okay, so you have 18 more days to apply. Now this is through the Unstop portal. Okay, so 2020, 2021 and 2022, these three batches can apply. But this is limited to computer science or related. Okay, computer science, IT and related. Okay, even circuit branches can go ahead and try. So computer science related can apply for this. Should have knowledge of programming language and process management methodology. If you have exposure towards programming language, or let's say HTML5, CSS, JavaScript and all that, okay, so you can go ahead and apply for this. Okay, so basically design and developing user interfaces using Angular, write JavaScript, CSS, HTML, develop application codes and unit testing is what you'll be doing for this particular role. Software engineer Angular, Mumbai location, Zycus hiring, right? So those are interested can go ahead and apply for this. Now next one, LTIMindtree, they're hiring software engineer for their like Maharashtra location. So if you have like hands-on experience developing 3-tier web applications using ASP.NET, VB.NET or XML web services, JavaScript, okay, then you can try this. Okay, so you should also have like skills in backend programming using SQL Server. Then in that case you can try. Okay, so basically if you can like have hands-on experience in developing web applications and also you have exposure towards backend programming, you can try this. Okay, the salary, the starting salary would cross easily like 4.5 lakhs for this particular software engineer hiring by LTIMindtree. Then you also have like another hiring by LTIMindtree. Now this is through the Unstop portal, specialist software engineer. This is for their Hyderabad location. You have 4 weeks left, but do not wait until that time. Okay, you can just go ahead and like and apply. If you have hands-on experience in developing APIs and implementing integration solution, and if you are from like computer science, software engineer or a relevant like engineering field, you can go ahead and apply for this. Okay, so this again like the salary like easily 4.55 lakhs it will cross the starting salary. So those are interested can go ahead and apply for this. Now next one, Harman, which is a Samsung company, they are hiring like associate engineer for their Bangalore location, right? Now if you have like good knowledge of C++, okay, then you can apply for this particular associate associate engineer software role. Okay, so this was posted about 5 days before, so this is from their official page. They are hiring through the Workdays portal. Now next one, Infosys, they are hiring system engineer BPO, 12 days left to apply. Now this is for their Gurgaon location. So who can apply? They have just mentioned graduate, fresher can apply, so which means like any graduate can apply. The responsibilities will include being aware of latest technologies and trend, design principles and ability to understand design specifications independently, run test cases and scenarios as per plan, right? And you should also have good understanding of SDLC. You should have analytical ability, logical thinking and all that. So salary is actually like not mentioned, right? So you can expect like close to 3.5 lakhs, I guess. Okay, so that I think that this is around that. Okay, so systems engineer BPO, Infosys hiring through Unstop portal. Okay, right. And then you have like Deloitte, they are hiring like support analyst for 4 locations. Okay, so Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon and Mumbai. The apply link is like active. So who can apply for this? Like BE, BTech engineering graduates can apply. So basically like troubleshooting, like strong, you should have strong Microsoft Office like background. Okay, so like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. should right. And then so what you'll be doing is like so using like Windows and Mac operating systems, mobile device hardware, software, networking, video conferencing, audio, video, telephone equipment, Active Directory admission. Okay, so all this you will be doing. And they have given a list of like preferences, like certification, ITIL certification, Microsoft MCITP certification, AN plus certification. Okay, so industry certifications such as Dell or HP will be a plus, is what they have mentioned. Okay, so BTech engineering graduates can apply. So this is from 4 location. So what you'll be doing is, it's more like a technical support role where you'll be providing hardware and application support, asset management and tracking hardware and software. Okay, and like installing and configuring firm standard images on laptops, interface with outside customers and vendors as required and all that. So Deloitte hiring support analyst for 4 locations, which includes Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurugram and Mumbai. Okay, now you also have Deloitte hiring risk advisory assistant manager for their Mumbai location. Now this is for like CA MBA freshers, right? Post qualification experience in BFSI space, like that will be an added advantage, but freshers, like CA MBA can apply for this. This is through the Unstop portal. Deloitte hiring for their Mumbai location. Okay, the last one, KPMG hiring, like analyst for their Mumbai location. So you can just go through this. Those are interested can go ahead and apply. Okay. Now with this I come to the end of this video. I hope this information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section here, or you can reach me through my Insta handle. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.